Manila Cathedral.
Yes guys, come join me. Pasukin natin ang loob ng Manila Cathedral. Yes guys.
Guys, ang loob ng Cathedral. Ito yung pinakasikat na cathedral sa Pilipinas guys, Manila Cathedral. So guys, naka-steady ka. Wow, really beautiful. First time kong pumasok dito guys, yan. Wow, napakaganda ng Manila Cathedral. Ganda guys, grabe. It's a huge church. Architecture, I love the architecture. Yan. Grabe guys, ganda. Ceiling. Wow, unbelievable.
It was so huge guys, napakalawak ng it has a calming atmosphere. Napakatiwasay ng pagganito ko sa parang ang damdamin mo yung parang at home. Yes guys, the Manila Cathedral is considered to be the mother of all churches and cathedrals in the Philippines. It is one of the oldest churches in Manila and the sixth structure to rise on the walls of Intramuros here in Manila guys. Yes guys, the altar built so beautiful. Yeah. Flooring, it was well maintained despite its old, despite its ages or how many centuries. Yeah, napakaganda guys.
Ito yung ginagawa pag may kinakasal, yung nilagay yung curtain, siya i-close.
Itong area nito guys, napansin ko napakaganda, napaka-solemn. Lalo itong meron ditong cross that was formed by cross also, small cross, mga maliit na cross guys. Yeah, we'll take a closer look guys, yung cross dito. Yan siya guys, so napakaganda ng ang ganda ng message niya guys, yung ganda ng structure niya. A cross within a cross. Wow, beautifully done. Parang pag nandito ka solemn, prayers ka or tahimik lang, just prayers in silence siguro guys. Napakaganda. Tabernacle, I don't know what do they call this. Yes,
Beautiful. Does it says
ito guys, yung napansin ko parang meron siyang timbangan. I mean siguro justice, it means justice kasi may timbangan ng katarungan. Ganda. Ito naman guys, yung sa kabila, just across tong pinanggalingan kong may cross, mga souvenir items for sale, ganon. May mga novena, may mga cross, rosary sa other side. Ito yung pinaka malapit sa entrance na mayroong CCTV. Yeah, ganda. Well maintained siya guys. Malinis ng lugar.
Ito ay right side.
Yes, solemn. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye bye.